Okay, Yellow Diamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is. Okay, as you can tell by the title, yes, I am doing pancake breakfast casserole. Y'all, it's going viral and I'm trying it. It looks so delicious. And y'all know I love a good casserole and a breakfast one too. So let's get to cooking. First, of course, you will need some pancake mix. Yes, yes, yes. You will need some breakfast pan sausage. You will need bacon. Most definitely, you will need eggs, okay? And then whatever else you like. Now, you don't have to use these particular, like the bacon, the eggs, or the pan sausage. Whichever you like for breakfast, you can add it to the pancake. Okay, we will start off with 8 cups of pancake mix. I am using the one you just add water. Perfect. Now, if you want to make your own pancake mix, go right ahead. And this way you're going to add the water. Now, you don't want this batter to be too loose. You want it to be kind of thick. And that's how you want it. Okay, we got our pancake batter sitting to the side, and now we're getting ready to cook the meat. We're gonna start off cooking the bacon. Cut the bacon up in 3s, the strips, and we're gonna put it in the skillet. Now you can keep the bacon whole. This is just me cutting it in 3 so it can cook faster. You want that bacon nice and crispy. So get it nice and crispy. You want to put that on a rack so it can cool and stay crispy. That's how you want your bacon. Put that to the side. Okay, in the same skillet with a little of that bacon grease, we're gonna add the pan sausage. Can't cook without the diamond dust. We're gonna add a little diamond dust. Yes, you guys, I made more. As you can see, it's full. So just a little. Okay, we have the pan sausage done. We're gonna sit that to the side. Next, we're going to do the eggs. We're just gonna do a simple scrambled egg, 8 eggs. Thank you. So we got our 8 eggs. Now we're gonna add a little onion powder, black pepper, and we're gonna add salt in just a little bit later on. And we're gonna blend that. Add just a tablespoon of butter. Now don't forget to put your salt in. You could actually add it in when you add all the other seasonings, but it's just good to kind of add it at the end because salt will kind of make your eggs a little watery. So once when you get them cooked some like this, you can go ahead and add the salt, just a little. Pancake breakfast casserole. So we're done. Now let's get to building. Okay, you guys, we got the bacon done, crispy. We got the pan sausage done, flavorful. And we got the eggs done, fluffy. We have the pancake mix. We have cheese. And we have syrup. Now y'all know the McGriddle, right? Keep that in mind. Okay, we have the pan nice and hot. We have oil in the bottom of the pan. You want just enough oil to cover the bottom. Okay. Going to just one thin layer. So we got the pancake mix at the bottom. Pan sausage. Yeah, we're just gonna put it right in there. Right on top. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Bacon. Now we're only gonna do half of it because we want to save some to put on top. So just crush it like that in your hand. Because remember, you fried it already. It's nice and crispy. It's nothing like bacon. Next, the eggs. Now we're only gonna put the eggs on 2/3 because everybody do not like do not like eggs or can't eat eggs. So we're just gonna put it on one side, the eggs. Ooh, this is gonna be eggy. Use it all. You cooked it, use it. Next is the syrup. Let's drizzle the syrup. McGriddle, here we come. And cheese. Cheese, please. Ooh! I can't wait, can you? Okay, next, we're gonna top it off with more pancake batter. Hey you guys, I just had to come in and do a voiceover. Now at this point, I wish I did not added the pancake mix on top. I wish I would have left that off because at the end of it, it was too much pancake mix for me, like the breading once when it was cooked for me, but everybody in my household loved it like that. But I wish I would have just tried it without the pancake mix on top. So if you try this recipe, make sure you just try it either way. But if you don't like too much breading, don't add the top layer of pancake mix. But if you do like the pancake mix breading, add it. Let's carry on. And more bacon on top. I'll put a whole one on that end. That way it'll let us know that's the end without the egg. And drizzle more syrup. In the oven it goes, 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. Ooh, y'all look, it's done, it's done. It smells so good in here. Okay, let's drizzle some more syrup. While it's hot, yes. Here you go, you guys. The viral pancake breakfast casserole. Take a sniff, it smells so good. Y'all gotta rate it. Rate it. Or shall I cut it? Let's cut it. Let's cut into it to see how it looks. Ooh, y'all see the smoke? Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, yeah. Let's scoop it out. Oh, I left some in there, look. Ooh, I left some. That look like the good, the middle. There you go, y'all. Let's try it. Ooh. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. A pancake breakfast casserole. There were the eggs, the bacon, the sausages. And you use a little bit more syrup just on the side. So I guess you can actually use like the syrup or the jelly or nothing at all. But y'all, this is good. Next time I make this, I'm gonna have some hash browns with it. Make it a whole breakfast, right? Woo. They're gonna be eating breakfast for days. That's good. I wouldn't mind trying this with biscuits. Because I'm not really too fond of pancakes. I would choose out of pancakes, waffles, biscuit. I would choose a biscuit. It's good. Hot.